My name's Clive Harris. I'm the Operations Manager of CFS, Composting Facilities Services. To explain slightly what we do, we're a rather unique experimental composting facility. We actually compost sewer waste. Everything that comes through the sewers, everything that comes out of treatment works, we actually compost and turn it into a good, usable compost. We originally found Coveya many years ago, probably 10, 12 years ago, as a replacement company to put a conveyor in instead of augers. We were having severe difficulties with the material that we were using, damaging the augers. So we eventually came across Coveya and put our first one in about 11 years ago. In the process, we bumped into Barry. I'd done a deal with him that I would come and pick up a conveyor directly from him many years ago, and it cost him a bacon sandwich. Since then, we've systematically replaced augers with the conveyor system, which we found over the years to be financially beneficial. A, they move the material quicker. B, we can repair them. We build them, repair them, make them ourselves, all in kit form, which has been an absolute bonus for speed and efficiency in how we use this particular product. The benefits of Coveya I would put into the fact that it's a sectional system. You can add, replace, take away any part of it quite quickly, quite efficiently, and it's not overly complicated. The end result is that it makes it a system where you keep a lot of spares which are multiple use for each conveyor. You don't need vast quantities or complete conveyors sitting there waiting. Speed, you can take one down, repair it, put it back together in a matter of a few hours, and it is that efficient. Would I recommend Coveya as a company? Of course I would. They've been supportive, helpful, efficient, even helped on design and how we go about approaching replacing other conveyors and bits and pieces and future projects. Invariably been straight on the phone, delivery within 2 or 3 days of whatever we need, sometimes faster. You can get it overnight if you need it. They have been brilliant. I'd recommend them to anyone who wants a cheap, usable system.